Hello there! For this week, we're going to read Little Excavator. This book is written by Adrineh. Are you ready? Let's read. Here comes the big bricks rolling down the street. Tompa, tompa, bumpa, bumpa. Beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham! Goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rummel, rummel, crummel, crummel. Fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Grum goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smoosha, smoosha, smash. Smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Drum goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Tonka, tonka, clonka, clonka. Chuck, chuck, chuck. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Brum goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Brrr goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swish, swish, high, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now, there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one. Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. And friends, that's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed reading this book with me. If you like this book, you can ask your grown-up to borrow this book from your local library. Thank you. Bye-bye.